The way we learn at work, it's changing fast. Meet Auzmor, the all-in-one LMS and LXP platform that transforms how your people learn, grow, and connect. Centralize your content creation, mentorship programs, reporting, and personalized learning experiences, all under one seamless platform. Whether you're managing compliance training, launching upskilling initiatives, or both, Auzmor delivers a one-of-a-kind experience tailored to every user. With built-in AI-powered recommendations, Auzmor's recommendation engine knows what your learners need before they even do. Tailored paths, smarter upskilling, faster results. Go beyond training, foster real growth through coaching, mentorship, and peer-to-peer learning, all seamlessly integrated into the platform. Access over 30,000 pre-built courses or create your own content, all without relying on external vendors. Whether you build, buy, or blend, Auzmor makes it effortless. Training internal teams, onboarding external users, Auzmor offers tailored experiences for every audience, customized to your brand, your voice, and your goals. It is a scalable and customizable platform, built to grow alongside your business wherever the future takes you. Discover the future of learning. Join the Auzmor community and discover how teams like yours are transforming their learning experience. See it in action. Book a demo today.